Hey guys, what's up? It's Frank again from All Mobile Techs R Us. So today we're gonna go ahead and talk about um, the Galaxy Note 9, the S Pen. Something pretty cool. A lot of features on this right now that are actually very different from the old Note. Let's go ahead and get to it. That way you guys can go ahead and see exactly what I'm referring to. First of all, if you got the phone off and you go ahead and you take this off right here, you can actually write a memo right on the phone, say hello, how are you. Pretty cool. I think this is actually pretty neat. Samsung actually did something very cool with this pen. As you guys know, the pen is now Bluetooth compatible. The pen actually has a battery, and once you plug it in, it actually charges up. There's a lot of features that this has, especially whenever you're utilizing the phone. Say for instance over here, we can come over to Spotify. Just got something playing over here now, so you got something going on, as you guys can see. You can come ahead, take this off. If you do a one click on the button over here on the pen, you see it'll play and then it'll pause. You double click and it goes over to the next song. I think that's actually pretty cool. Now if we go ahead and pause, and this actually works with all the multimedia, including, if you come over here and you go over to YouTube, we'll just go over here to main page. We'll go over to what's trending. As you guys can see,
I don't know.
you can pause it. You can go ahead and move on to the next video as well. So I think that's actually pretty neat. Also, another feature that the pen has itself is if you hold it, it'll take you straight to your camera. Hold on, let me do this one more time. Boom. Now if you go ahead and you do a one click, as you guys can see, it'll go ahead and take a picture. Now if you go ahead and you double click on it, it'll turn into the face front camera. I think that's actually pretty neat, as you guys can see. And the same way, if you go ahead and if you do a one click, it'll take a picture. Now also over here, when you can see on the right side, you're gonna have other things that you can actually do with the pen. You can come over here to the settings, and say for example, when you go to S-Pen remote, you can configure what you want, like the camera. You got the gallery, take pictures, the media, as I did with Spotify right now, and I did also with YouTube. You can actually modify those, do it how you want to do it. If you don't want to use those type of features, you can just simply go ahead and turn off the remote on the pen. But remember, you can still use the pen for the regular stuff that the pen does. Let's say for example, to write notes. Come on, let me go back over here. So create a note, and you can still use those features. Also, when you come back over here and you can see that the settings, hold on. Now you can discard that, and you come over here to the settings. You also will be able to see, once you turn it on, you'll be able to see remember, as I said, the pen itself has its own battery. So as you guys can come over here, it actually charges when it's plugged into the phone itself. Right now it has 100% on the battery for the pen itself. So that's amazing. And another cool thing that I was able to find out about the phone is that just with a 40-second charge, actually just plugging in the S Pen over to the phone itself, it'll give you 30 minutes of battery life on that pen. So those are just the basic standard features, or the basic things that you'll be able to do with the new S Pen. It's actually pretty neat. I hope you guys liked the video. Please go ahead and follow my channel and like the video and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.